Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube series of Healthy Bite. I am Vipasha
And hello, myself Afreen.
and we are here to share some delicious recipes and healthy recipes with you all. As you can see, we are standing in a very natural aesthetic light which is located right behind the kitchen area, the area where students are served with really delicious and nutritious food for the breakfast and lunch. But sometimes I wonder, what if I'm running out of time and I want to grab something really quick and run for the class? And I have come up with an idea. So Afreen, would you like to know what are we making today?
Yes, sir, I would love to.
Okay, so let's start with a quiz then, right? So today's recipe is going to look bright, ruby red, and it is going to be packed with nutrition and it's very good for our heart. So can you guess?
Ma'am, beetroot.
Yes, it does. So we have beetroot in our recipe. And okay, let me ask you one more question. So can you suggest a food item that is packed with healthy protein, fiber, and a lot of fat in it, and it is calorie dense, yet it's very good for your health?
Ma'am, is it a nut?
Yes, we are talking about peanuts.
But ma'am, I can't see peanuts anywhere.
Oh, okay, because I have grinded it into a fine paste and made a peanut butter out of it.
Peanut butter? Wow, is it that easy?
Absolutely. So now quickly get back to the recipe and I'll introduce you to the ingredients that I have. So we have 2 teaspoons of peanut butter. I have 1 whole banana and I have a cup of chopped beetroot and half a cup of milk. So what are we going to do next?
Ma'am, make smoothie?
Yes, absolutely. So we are going to put all these into a blender and we are going to make a smoothie out of it. So let us go to the kitchen and make the smoothie,
Yes, ma'am.
right? And here we are back with a bright looking smoothie. So Afreen, can you see how it looks?
Ma'am, it looks exactly the way you described it as.
Ruby red, right? So why don't you taste it and let me know how it tastes?
Yes, ma'am, I'd love to.
So how does it taste, Afreen?
Ma'am, it tastes delicious.
Oh, I can see that with the pink lips.
Ma'am.
So Afreen, instead of having processed foods and ready to eat junk foods, you can always hop into such healthy recipes that can be made with such less ingredients and with a very less amount of time.
Can I have some more?
Absolutely. So let Afreen enjoy her drink, and till then stay tuned, like, share and subscribe our videos, and let's meet in the next video for some new healthy recipes.